Make some noise for VK 18.5. Okay, lights, camera, action, rolling. सब रेडी है? I was so excited because हम इतनी बार बैठे हैं और सबके मन में ये आता है ना कि यार sport, you're here because of sport. Everyone plays the sport. Let me ask you, start में, if Virat Kohli did not play a sport at any point in life, where would he be been?
I have no idea, honestly. मैंने बोला है 2-3 बार कि probably do some kind of business with my brother or some, because business was something that I saw growing up in the family. My path was different because of sport. So I say business because that's the only other thing I knew or had seen.
अगर स्पोर्ट नहीं खेली थी ना, मैं स्पोर्ट बोल रहा हूँ, स्पोर्ट्समैन बनने के लिए नहीं. Do you think कोई किसी भी प्रोफेशन में, लाइफ के किसी भी उसमें उतना सक्सेसफुल हो सकता है बिना स्पोर्ट्स के लेसन सीखे?
मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता है. मे बी लोग हुए सक्सेसफुल, बट जो वैल्यूज मुझे समझ आई है स्पोर्ट के थ्रू, कि वो आपकी लाइफ में कैसी कंट्रीब्यूशन लाता है. कोई भी स्पोर्ट आप खेलो, इट्स नॉट ओनली क्रिकेट. क्रिकेट ऑब्वियसली इज लुक्ड एट फ्रॉम अ डिफरेंट लेंस, स्पेशली हमारे देश में. बट कोई भी आप स्पोर्ट खेलो तो एक सर्टेन सेंस ऑफ डिसिप्लिन, एक सर्टेन सेंस ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर आपको नजर आएगा किसी भी स्पोर्ट की. अगर आप टेनिस बॉल क्रिकेट भी खेल रहे हो तो आपको पहले स्टंप्स लानी पड़ेंगी, एक जगह आपको मार्क करनी पड़ेगी कि यार प्लानिंग है कुछ, कि यहाँ पे खेलेंगे, ऐसे खेलेंगे, यू नो, इस तरीके से खेलेंगे, ये रूल्स होंगे, इस दीवार पे लगेगी तो आउट है, उस पे लगेगी तो छक्का. सो व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज दैट इट ओपन्स अप अ साइड ऑफ यू व्हिच इज मेकिंग you a more productive person even while playing sport. Physically तो आपका benefit हो ही रहा है, but you also have to think. When you want to win, you have to think, you have to plan. And that brings out more from people than what they imagine. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि sport की value किसी भी profession में आप हो, कोई भी sport खेलने की value बहुत ज़्यादा immense है.
ये अब वो गली क्रिकेट की बात आ गई ना, इस दीवार पे आउट है, उस दीवार पे आउट है. एक बार चलते हैं गलियों में. हाँ, एक बार उन गलियों में चलते हैं. वही वन ऑफ दोस्त, क्या बैट लेके जाते था भाई, स्टंप्स लेके जाते थे, या बॉल तो, या पूरी किट थी?
तो मैं एक्चुअली आई वाज द जज्बाती किड, राइट, बिकॉज़ आई लव प्लेइंग क्रिकेट. और हमारी जो सोसाइटी में रहते थे वहाँ सबको पता था. सो आई यूज्ड टू प्ले विद माय ब्रदर्स फ्रेंड्स. ही इज 7 years elder to me. क्योंकि मुझे अपनी एज के लड़कों के साथ खेलना अच्छा नहीं लगता था. मुझे लगता था यार मेरे को थोड़ा कंपटीशन चाहिए, राइट. I just felt like I could play with these big boys. So they started making me part of their teams and I started playing with them. तो उनको समझ आ गया कि इसमें तो बहुत ज़्यादा कीड़ा है क्रिकेट का. तो स्टंप्स हमारे घर पे होती थी, बैट हमारे घर पे होते थे, बॉल जो कॉस्को की हम खेलते थे उस टाइम पे वो हमारे घर पे होती थी. सब कुछ मैं लेके जाता था. और जब शीशा टूटता था सब घर भागते थे. मैं अकेला था ग्राउंड में, स्टंप्स वापस लेके जानी, आंटियों से भी डांट खानी मैंने, बॉल भी उनसे मांगनी, बैट भी लेके जाने. मैं कभी लड़ाई वड़ाई भी नहीं करता था किसी से. फिजिकल तो चांस ही नहीं. मैंने कहा कोई मुझे मार के निकल जाएगा, मैं तो मर जाऊंगा, मेरा उसको नहीं पता क्या होना. तो आई नेवर यूज्ड टू गेट.
यू नो व्हाट द फॉलो अप क्वेश्चन विल बी, राइट?
आप मुंह से कुछ भी बुलवा लो, बट मैं फिजिकल लड़ाई नहीं.
सारे देख रहे हैं, सबके ना जितने क्रू वाले, सबके चेहरे पे स्माइल आ गई है. एक कह रहे, सो अगर
कभी भी
वर्बल मेंशन चल रहा है, किसी ने आदड़ा दिया यार रुक जा.
यार वो भी मैं ग्राउंड पे करता हूँ. मुझे पता है वहां पे लड़ाई नहीं हो सकती ना, वहां पे अंपायर बीच में आ जाएंगे.
First time ever we've gotten to this depth. Nice. What are some of the names that you remember? अब इसमें हो सकता है वो आंटियां जो गाली मारती थी, या फिर मोहल्ले के बच्चों के वो निकनेम्स वगैरह. Let me see, how many can you remember?
I remember quite a few actually with the जो क्रिकेट में हम लोग खेलते थे. मेरे भाई के दोस्त हैं. एक लड़का था, his name was बंटू, एक का बबलू. अभी मैं आपको सोसाइटी की बातें बता रहा हूँ. Then a really good friend of mine, his name was Jay Ganesh. He was the family was from South India and they used to live in our society. वो था एक्चुअली जिसने मेरे फादर को सजेस्ट किया था कि इसको आप एकेडमी में डलवाओ, बिकॉज उसको क्रिकेट का आइडिया था. So he saw me play और उसने बोला था मेरे फादर को कि you should make him practice professionally. वहाँ से उनको insight आया. Then he asked me, I said yes, of course I want to.
स्कूल में, क्योंकि अभी हम स्कूल पे आएंगे, क्योंकि ये कल्चर अगर चेंज करना है, आई थिंक द फर्स्ट एंड द बिगेस्ट स्टेप आना चाहिए स्कूल में. What were some of your teachers? Were they विराट खेल, या फिर कुछ ऐसे भी थे कि विराट why are you missing classes? Early days before you were playing a lot of competitive stuff.
I was in a school called Vishal Bharti, which was in West Delhi, because that's where I grew up. तो पश्चिम विहार एरिया है, वहाँ पे स्कूल वाज देयर. तो मैं 8th स्टैंडर्ड तक मैं वहाँ पे पढ़ा और क्रिकेट में खेलता रहता था. वहाँ से बहुत छुट्टियाँ भी मुझे लेनी पड़ती थी क्योंकि मैचेस होते थे. सो द टीचर्स वर वेरी कोऑपरेटिव. मुझे कभी भी ऐसा स्कूल में फील नहीं हुआ, एटलीस्ट एट द टाइम दैट आई वाज ग्रोइंग अप, कि यार बहुत ज़्यादा ना एकेडमिकली बहुत कम्पिटिटिव है, बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस है, एटलीस्ट इन माई ओन एक्सपीरियंस. वहाँ से फिर वी मूव टू अ स्कूल कॉल्ड सेवियर कॉन्वेंट, क्योंकि हमारी वो भी वेस्ट दिल्ली में ही था, सिमिलर एरिया, बिकॉज हमारी क्रिकेट अकेडमी उस स्कूल में चलती थी. तो द स्कूल प्रपोज टू आवर कोच कि यू नो व्हाई डोंट यू गेट दीज kids into our school, we'll make a school team, we'll make a strong school team as well. So said it's a great idea, so we all joined and then we made a school team, then we started playing school tournaments as well. Academy की अलग होती थी cricket, school की अलग होती थी, you know, your Salvan boys and your Gyan Bhartis and Modern Barakhamba and all these teams were very strong. तो हमें वो tournaments खेलने को मिलते नहीं थे, तो फिर हमने अपनी टीम बनाई, उससे खेलना शुरू किया. तो वहाँ पे एक्चुअली मेरे साथ एक बार एक्चुअली बहुत कमाल का एक इंसिडेंट. हमारी वाइस प्रिंसिपल मैम थी एंड शी यूज्ड टू टीच इंग्लिश एंड शी वाज वाइस प्रिंसिपल एंड सपोजिटली शी वाज अ वेरी यू नो स्ट्रिक्ट टीचर एंड सो उनका मैंने जो क्लास मिस करके मैं बाहर वॉलीबॉल खेल रहा था और सामने क्लास से, बिकॉज द स्कूल वाज द क्लासेस वर ऑन द ग्राउंड फ्लोर एंड शी कुड सी एंड द होल क्लास कुड सी एंड आई वाज प्लेइंग विद सीनियर्स इन द स्कूल. आई वाज प्लेइंग वॉलीबॉल विद देम एंड आई टोटली फॉरगॉट कि हमारा वो हाँ फिजिकल का पीरियड खत्म हो गया और ये शुरू हो गया और मैं खेल रहा हूँ एंड शी डिडंट से एनीथिंग टू मी. शी केम टू मी, शी इज लाइक आर यू रियली इंटरेस्टेड इन स्टडीइंग? आई सेड मैम इफ यू आस्क मी वेरी ऑनेस्टली आई एम जस्ट डूइंग दिस टू पास माय व्हाटएवर ग्रेड आई एम इन. She said where's your interest? I said I love cricket, it's everything for me. She said then follow that completely.
Wow. Which standard is this? What class?
I was in 11th.
Okay.
I had just finished the 10th boards and we had just gone into the 11th standard. And this is when the conversation happened. I was like, it was such a nice thing for me to hear that I wasn't being pressurized, you know. Sport की तरफ preference होनी चाहिए मेरे हिसाब से. तो जिनकी एकेडमिक्स की तरफ प्रेफरेंस है, बहुत से ऐसे बच्चे जिनको स्पोर्ट पसंद ही नहीं होता, यू नो, तो दे आर डूइंग देयर वर्क, बट देयर आर सम हु फील फोर्स्ड. तो उनके लिए कोई स्पेस ऐसी होनी चाहिए जहाँ पे दे कैन आल्सो फील लाइक वी आल्सो आर अ पार्ट ऑफ द सेम इंस्टीट्यूशन, बट वी आल्सो हैव आवर ओन स्पेस, आवर ओन प्लेस टू ग्रो, आवर ओन इंटरेस्ट आर बीइंग टेकन केयर ऑफ.
बेसिकली इसका सार, इट्स सिंपली पुट लाइक यू सेड, राइट, मेरा इंटरेस्ट है स्पोर्ट, सो दैट मींस इट्स अ सब्जेक्ट, राइट?
यस.
सो अगर साइंस सब्जेक्ट है, मैथ सब्जेक्ट है, हिंदी सब्जेक्ट है, इंग्लिश सब्जेक्ट है, तो स्पोर्ट इज अ सब्जेक्ट. सो डू यू थिंक एक चीज, लेट देयर बी स्पोर्ट, आई मीन जस्ट द कैंपेन साउंड सो गुड, राइट, फॉर स्पोर्ट्स अफिशनाडोज. स्पोर्ट इज नॉट एक हफ्ते का एक पीई पीरियड.
No.
It's not extracurricular, right? What is it? If you were sitting and addressing maybe the school communities, what would you tell them?
I would tell them don't make them just play sport. Teach them. Because when I was growing up, I had no idea about rules and regulations of majority of the sports around me. Now, when we play cricket, you understand the way the situation of the game is going. So, as a fielder, when you're standing in the field, what distance should you be from the batter to make a difference here? Do you have to be 5 steps back, or do you attack 5 steps more? Because you can sense that he's trying to do this particular thing. The ball might land up here, and you need to be physically fit enough to be in that place to eventually make a difference.
Yeah.
This is all learning. This is not happening by chance. It's not only fun and games. So what the important thing is to teach them the small details of what it means to play a sport. Playing a sport means you're totally aware in every moment. You're totally present with what's going on. It's not just ha ha he and kara and you have to be present. You have to do that thing with absolute commitment, with fine details. Usse aapko that same intent can be applied anywhere in life. Because once you're involved in that moment, you will give your best output, whether it's for sport, whether it's for work, anything. It helps you in your attention span and to be able to focus so much. It's so underrated and people don't actually realize this about sport a lot of the times. That's why the people who end up playing sport at a higher level, आप किसी से भी पूछोगे, they are absolutely precisely focused and present in the most स्ट्रेसफुल मोमेंट्स, वो तो आप कहीं भी अप्लाई कर सकते हो लाइफ में। तो ये चीज सिखाई नहीं जाती है। स्पोर्ट को देखा जाता है सिर्फ मस्ती मजाक के लिए स्कूलों में, लेकिन आप अगर स्पोर्ट खिला रहे हो, अगर आप बास्केटबॉल खिला रहे हो, आप वॉलीबॉल खिला रहे हो, आप, मैं बोल रहा हूँ कबड्डी खो खो कुछ भी खिला रहे हो,
कुछ भी,
आप समझाओ उनको कि यार एंगल समझना क्या होता है, एक एंटिसिपेशन क्या होती है चीज, आप खो खो खेल रहे हो तो वो कहाँ किस तरफ टर्न लेगा, कौन सा बंदा अभी, सो यू स्टार्ट प्रिपेयरिंग अकॉर्डिंगली। आपकी सेंसेस इतनी ज्यादा डेवलप हो जाती हैं that you start becoming intuitive. I'm not kidding. I mean, through playing sport, I've become so intuitive because once you start perceiving the situation कि यार ये कैसा होगा, where would the situation lead to, and you always have that little bit of insight कि अपनी gut feel से आपको कई चीजें feel होती हैं कि ऐसा करना चाहिए, and once you follow it and it happens, then you start trusting it in every situation, whether it's with people, whether it's with sport, whether anything, whether you're driving, you always get कुछ तो होता है कि I need to be careful here. अपने आप ही आप थोड़ा, so all these things, my senses started developing way more after I started understanding how sport is played, because मेरा उधर passion था. It was something that I absolutely loved doing, so I learned it very differently. For me, it was not fun and games.
You tell me about leadership, Virat, and I mean, leadership is, that's why I just love doing these interviews, right? You just get to know so much more. Leadership एक अंदर knack होता है, but then you also see someone, you sometimes look up to someone. आपके लिए what was leadership? What you learned from sport, maybe anything?
See, leadership, I learned from many people. I learned a lot from MS because I played majority of my career under him, the initial years. But in general, I feel leadership is firstly to be able to take responsibility for yourself. Right? If you can't take responsibility for yourself or for your own space, or for your own well-being, hygiene, whatever it is, you cannot take responsibility for any other person. I had this tendency in me to follow my heart and to go for things naturally. Was the reason why I could urge everyone else around me to go for it and tell them, it's fine. Trust me, it'll be okay. Because I've experienced it. It's not like I'm reading it off a book and saying, come on, we have to play with positive intent. I felt it, I've been there, I've succeeded, I've failed. I've learned from failures, but that has not stopped me from trying again. So it is when you get rid of the insecurities you have as an individual, you'll be able to become firstly your own leader in your own space, and then be able to take responsibility for the others as well, so that if things go wrong, because the one thing that stops us from realizing how good we can be is failure, is insecurity, right? कि खराब हो गया तो, out हो गया तो, pass नहीं हुआ तो, job नहीं मिली तो, CV गया, अब क्या होगा, पता नहीं क्या होगा, what if it doesn't go through, is the reason why you never really fully commit to it. So at a level where you realize, okay, I have tried this, I have seen ups and downs with it, now I can tell these people, go for it, I'm here, if it goes wrong, I'll take care of it, but don't stop trying.
कोई ऐसा instance, because ज़रूरी नहीं है जो, someone I look up to as a leader might have a way of life, जो inspiring लगे, but मेरे तौर तरीके अलग हो सकते हैं. It could take me time to buy into your theory.
100%. One thing I learned from MS and other people that I've seen lead also, you cannot make everyone happy all the time. This is the absolute truth. And why that happens is because certain individuals will not buy into the intensity of what you're saying immediately. So they try to find their own comfortable ways, which you have to ignore, because the vision is priority. It's not saying कि मैं ऐसे चलाने वाला हूँ. नहीं, मुझे responsibility दी गई है. ये plan है. क्योंकि ये plan मुझे लगता है कि हमें टॉप पे पहुंचाएगी. अब ये हमारा पाथ है. अब किसी को आपने बोलना है भागो, तो किसी को आप बोल सकते हो चल भाई उठ के भाग. किसी को आप समझाओगे या नहीं करेंगे ना तो ऐसे प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी, तो उसका कोई फायदा नहीं है. इतना टाइम वेस्ट करेंगे. We are not making the most of our time. You eventually want to enjoy yourself. All these small things matter. Get that guy around in a different way. But the goal is the same. He has to run, he has to run. लेकिन ये नहीं आप बोल सकते कि मैं तो नहीं करूँगा. क्योंकि वहाँ पे पहुँचने के लिए कोई दूसरा, तीसरा, चौथा, पांचवा, 6 लोग आपसे 10 गुना मेहनत करने को रेडी हैं.
क्या कुछ ऐसा भी था, some things that you maybe realized पीछे देखते हुए कि यार I could have done this better. Maybe as a leader I could have done this better. Purely in hindsight.
100%. So I have no shame in accepting that I have made many mistakes when I was a captain. But the one thing I know for sure that I never did anything for my own selfish motives. That I can take guarantee of that from day one to the last day. कि मैंने एक भी काम वहां पे अपने लिए नहीं किया. मेरा एक ही गोल था कि टीम को कैसे आगे लेके जाना है. उसमें आपने डिसीजन सही लिया कि नहीं, I can totally accept it. You make mistakes, like you make errors when you play, you get out. That's a failure. Failures will keep happening. But intent was never in the wrong place. So I can absolutely take guarantee of that. और जब तक वो आपका सही जगह पे है, you will make mistakes, but you will learn from them. As I said, you will not then start shying away from making mistakes. So मेरी नीयत हमेशा सही थी. तरीका जैसे मैंने आपको बोला वो ट्वीक करना पड़ता है लोगों के हिसाब से. डिसीजंस काफी बार गलत भी हुए और वो चीजें आपको सिखाती हैं बहुत कुछ. और then you start taking it as the whole journey and what went well, what didn't go right, and then you learn from all situations. So that's exactly what happened with me.
Amazing. ये जर्नी की बात की, ऐसी तो किसी की आज तक जर्नी नहीं हुई. और अगर सब कुछ अच्छा चलेगा तो फिर
मजा ही नहीं
फिर मजा ही नहीं.
नहीं.
Right? You realize this is subject relativity, right?
100%.
So I've got a couple of images that I want to show you now that we talk about the 2.5 years, which were weird, which were different. And उसमें I want to find out कि प्रोसेस क्या थी, वो 2-2.5 साल की प्रोसेस क्या थी. And correct me if I'm wrong, the outside, whatever I try to look like disbelief. No, that can't be happening. Reluctant acceptance, and then revival. And this photo, I think, defines it pretty well. I remember I was on commentary as well. And सबको लग रहा था यार इस नॉक में. And वो face define हो रहा था, अच्छी shots, catches में जा रही थी. But never seen you like that. Your reaction going back, ऊपर देख के कि ये हो क्या रहा है. Just first tell me about this photo, this moment, and then we'll talk more.
How do I put it? I mean, things turning around in a way that they did ever since I came back was because I decided to step away and really, really deeply connect to myself again. Doing things from a very superficial point of view, which is, who am I to people? What are they expecting of me? What am I expected to go and do? It was never about how I'm feeling, what I want to do. In this moment, what is it that I really, really want to do, which is close to my heart. When you go into this phase that I went into, the focus is very difficult to stay in the middle lane, which has gotten you to the place that you are. That is exactly what happened with me. Because my focus shifted, I started looking at the situation differently. I was in the wrong lane. When I came back to my lane that I'm closest to, everything started flowing again because I'm not thinking about this part of what I do. Hopefully, I will keep being in this space that I will drift, but then you come back very quickly because you've had a knock on your head and a big one. So it's a blessing that I was able to get so much of grace and learning through that phase.
यहाँ से चलते हैं अगली फोटो की तरफ. This is the Asia Cup, ladies and gentlemen. What was your first reaction? Just take me. हम भी सब खड़े थे, T20 format. You also said this is where you least expected, and then things are flowing. When did the 100 come into your head?
To be very honest, the ball before I got to the 100 is the time I felt like, oh, I'm on 94, I could probably get this. And the next ball went for 6. But the thing is that as soon as I got the 100, I laughed so hard. मैं इसके लिए रो रहा था 2 साल से. Like that just for this 2 seconds, I let myself go through that. That moment happened, it ended. Next day, the sun was up again. It wasn't going to be forever. It's not like वो 100 बना दिया, अब मैं pause कर दूंगा और मैं इसी moment को पूरी जिंदगी
Groundhog Day की तरह.
It was so funny. I laughed so hard. I was like, बस यही था.
But you laughed, I'm sure there must have been tears as well because you guys...
Not at that moment, but when I spoke to Anushka, yes.
Later.
It was.
Because I know, beyond the point, जब बंदा इस level पे पहुंच जाता है, milestones keep happening.
Yeah.
But जिस विराट कोहली ने सचिन तेंदुलकर को कंधों पे उठाया था 2nd April को और कहा था that we'll carry this forward. If you are to tell that Virat Kohli, maybe when you get to Paji's record or one ahead, उसके लिए तो बहुत मायने रखेगा. 49 one-day centuries. 2011 में तो नहीं ये सोचा होगा ना. I'm sure
chance ही नहीं है.
So if you have to tell him, I know Abhi you'll play it down. When this happens, you'll play it down.
It'll be a very emotional moment for me.
Yeah.
क्योंकि again, people take for granted what has happened. Whether it's your journey from when you were a kid watching your idol play on TV to playing with him, to seeing his retirement, to carrying on the responsibilities to a point where I am today, and what you just mentioned. It is surreal. I mean, again, the focus can be, oh yaar, abhi itne match ho gaye. But I'm looking at exactly what you're saying. I know when I used to be on a scooty going around playing games and trying to make a mark. I don't forget those days. I can still feel it. It's like living for me even now. The people on the outside have no idea what I'm not saying that my journey has been so difficult. No, it's dear to me. I'm not saying कि मैं बहुत बेचारा आदमी हूँ और मेरे को कुछ मत बोलो. They don't have an understanding, so they'll say what they have to. But I know who I am. I know where I've come from, and I know what path I have to go. And honestly, these things do not matter to me in a achievement sense. They matter to me because the dream you had as a child, you see that unfolding in front of your eyes, and that is a blessing. That is a true blessing because you're able to work towards it. Again, the beauty of being in my profession, playing a sport, is that it didn't happen by chance. The blessing was there on your head. The hand was always there, but the hard work was the only thing that was in or given to you to do. Nothing else is in our control. We can only do things with the right intent, with the right output. That I did for whatever number of years I've been playing, since I started playing cricket. So that makes me very, very grateful that I was able to live up to that blessing that I was given and continue to do so till the time I play the sport.
अब मैं एक ही जिंदगी और उसके कुछ आइकॉनिक लोकेशंस का नाम लूंगा एंड विराज को टेल अस अबाउट मेमोरी. दिल्ली वालों को ये बहुत पसंद आएगा, खास करके वो 80s और 90s के दिल्ली वालों को. गफार.
ओहो, गफार मार्केट. प्यूमा, अब तो प्यूमा है, वहां पे पोमा मिलता था. नकली स्पोर्ट शूज और प्ले स्टेशन की वो कॉपी वाली वीडियो गेम्स 150 रुपए की सीडियां मिलती थी और फोन ठीक कराने की दुकान बहुत सारी है. करेक्ट. पालिका बाजार अगेन वो अंडरग्राउंड थी ना सीपी में. हाँ, वही डीवीडीज सारी जो लेटेस्ट मूवी आई है वो अगले दिन पालिका में मिल जाएगी आपको.
मजनू का टीला इज द लास्ट वन.
मैं नहीं गया कभी.
You never went to मजनू का टीला?
नहीं, कभी भी नहीं.
केनाग्स कमला नगर की.
केनाग्स कमला नगर, ऑफ कोर्स कमला नगर गए हैं. कितने मैचेस रोशनारा क्लब के पास ही तो था कमला नगर. वहाँ पे हाँ बहुत मैचेस खेले हैं, बहुत खाना खुना खाया वहाँ पे. नॉर्थ कैंपस भी पास ही है ना उसके. एग्जैक्टली. सो हंग आउट अ लॉट इन कमला नगर एज वेल.
One final question, विराट. हमने जो बात करी, the ups and downs, the leadership, the humility, the teamwork, ये सब आपने स्पोर्ट्स से सीखा. ऐसी चीजें that you would probably pass it on to Vamika. You know, what you will tell her proudly कि ये मैंने स्पोर्ट्स से सीखा है and you can use this in any walk of life.
जब तक आपको पता है कि आपने पूरी मेहनत करी और आपका इंटेंट सही था. इंटेंट मेरे लिए सब कुछ इंटेंट ही है. अगर आपका इंटेंट सही था और आपने मेहनत पूरी करी, you will be fine in anything that you choose to do in life. Right intent, and you're willing to work hard every day of your life. No compromise. Whether it's rest, recovery, खाना, training, practice, लोगों से मिलना, आपका behavior, everything falls under working as much as you can every day of your life.
और एक कैमरा में देख के आज तक you've given message to all your fans जो विराट कोहली बनना चाहते हैं. I want you to give a message to those जिनको प्रोफेशनली नहीं खेलना स्पोर्ट, who don't want to play it, but those who you probably just want to play for the joy of it. उनके लिए what would you tell them? Maybe someone who's not as ambitious, but
I would just say that start playing any sport that you have any interest in, because वो खेलते खेलते आपको समझ आएगी कि when you get competitive and things get tough, there comes a moment, even when you're playing for fun, that you have to make a choice whether you want to go ahead or not. And trust me, if you start making those choices, it will make a difference in your life. I'm not saying that you'll become a professional sportsman or a sportswoman, but that intent to take a leap when things are tough. It'll help you in every profession of yours, every day of your life, with people, with your work, anything that you encounter, and that's a guarantee I can give everyone.
VK, like always, absolute pleasure.